I'm Sumner Douglas with Stack Homes. Welcome to our 960 square foot home with a vestibule. So this is one of our connection points. This is something a lot of people have questions about. This is actually an 8 by 6 foot vestibule configuration. We use these in a lot of different ways, sometimes for mudrooms and sometimes for offices, and also connection points between two different types of homes. So we can go ahead and come on in. This home is just getting prepped up for shipping. So you can actually see our structural integrations and our tensile strengths that are all set up. We've already cut apart the floors, and this one will soon be split up and ready to ship out in the next 2 weeks. Kind of the state of the kitchen, we basically finished almost everything except for the actual floor here. So we've got our quartz countertops, our waterfall countertops are already in, cabinetry's fully in. This will actually split up right here for our shipping process. So this splits up into 3 different units on semi trucks. We've got space right here for our stackable washer dryer in this configuration with our cabinetry on top of that. We've got quartz countertops right here with our protector on it already. Got our spot for our dishwasher, and then our refrigerator as well. We've got our mini split already mounted up on the wall. Again, we've got some more tensile strengths right here for shipping. This is how we ship, and we don't have any bending in any way, shape, or form for our shipping. You come on in, you can come and take a look. We pride ourselves in some of our bigger windows, so we put 6 foot by 6 foot windows in all of our bedrooms. Really brings in a lot of light and gives you that kind of like hotel feel. We've got custom cabinetry in each one, so we like to develop these in a way where you've got space for everything and a lot of different storage in these instead of a traditional kind of closet. And then this bathroom is almost already 100% finished upon shipping. So you can see we've done the tile, we've even mounted our floating vanity, we've got our cabinetry in, got our bathroom surround, or our shower surround, all the tile is done, the fixtures are in, and everything's pretty much ready to rock and roll here. We just have to mount our sliding door on the system. And this is really what one of our 960 square foot homes looks like before we ship it out. And then here you can really start to see the breadth of the window system. This is a 24-foot sliding system. 24-foot sliding door system is one of the biggest sliding door systems that exists on the market today. And it really gives you that full indoor-outdoor feeling. That's why a lot of people choose these for Airbnb investments. Because it has that, prolific feel of some of these bigger window sets and systems. So thank you very much for joining us for the tour of the 960 today.